Hi, this is Carolyn from Wise Owl Factory, and I'm going to quickly show you some screens to animate your quote area. First, you will need 4 tabs open. I'll show you in just a minute. You will need the blank PowerPoint, which is in the zip folder and looks blank. When you open it, it looks blank. Then you'll decorate it. You will save the slides as a PNG. You will upload them to gifmaker me. Then you will view your GIF, download your GIF, put it on a photo service, and then save in your Teachers Pay Teachers profile link. And what you want is an animated GIF that will work in your store. So you start with the blank PowerPoint that is in the zip folder, like this, and then what you want to do is add pictures, and I have them to just do this quickly, and you can rearrange. You can rearrange in gifmaker me also. So, and then you save them as PNGs on your desktop, which I already have. Then you're going to go to gifmaker me and upload them. So I'm going to take mine out and upload these. I'm going to get 8 of them. Oh well. Anyway, and then you create a GIF animation. You obviously don't want doubles on all that. And then you view the GIF. Then you can download the GIF. And what happens is you get this output in this short little link. And so what I'm going to do then is open my FileZilla, and what I would do is I would put it in there, but I already have this one that I put in there. So it's going to replace it. All you need is somewhere to store the photo. And when you store the photo, you get a URL. When you get a URL, then you can look at it online and make sure it's okay. If the URL is long, you will need to go to Tinyurl and put it here and get a short one. So instead of this one with Wise Owl Factory, I could get a shorter one, but it didn't matter that much. So anyway, I'm going to copy that, and then in my store, what I can do is edit my profile. So hold on just a minute. Dashboard. I don't want everyone to see all of it. There's my profile, and you just put the GIF in there. And I already did. So back on my store then, you can see the GIF is working. Okay, thank you for watching.